بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Hello brothers, sisters, how are you? In this live video I want to show you, I want to answer your questions. So from now you can send me your questions and what questions do you have, and I will answer them, God willing. And I'll remember you that you can ask me in 4 languages, in Kurdish, which is my mother tongue, Arabic, English, and Persian. In these 4 languages you can ask me the questions, and I will answer in English. I think is better, but if you don't understand, I will answer in your own language. I don't have any problem. So from now I'm waiting for your question. And we'll see. So, okay, guys. The first question that I have: how we can create or how we can catch warp around for pipes. I think it's for pipes in Advanced Steel. Guys, it's pretty easy, but we have to know how we can do it. So for this one I will go to Advanced Steel and I will make 2 pipes, and we see how we can cut that one. For the diameter I will choose a big diameter. It's not problem for big diameter. Small diameter is both way, or both diameters are workable. Let's say we have this one of or if we have, I don't know, if we have another or a bigger sections, let's this one, and we will make another one also, another beam, let's say just like this, or another pipe, and we can change this diameter to a smaller diameter, or maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. Okay, so it's not problem. And so how we can cut this one, how we can cut this pipe to come like this here. This is 2 procedure or 2 things that we have to make. The one is how we can create, or how we can cut this one. From features we can go to features, and we can cut element control rule by this one. Select the beam to be modified at a reference and select it, and after that select the second one. Okay, as you see it's like this, no problem. Just go to parameters and check this one, and check this one, create shortening, and it will give you this cool cutting in pipe. As you see here, as you see, it's in both sides we cut this one by about I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sick. It's not our subject now, why it's in 2 sides. We can just click or right click Advanced Joint Properties and go to display type, features, and after that from these features that we selected, or let me just go to the wireframe so I can select this feature here, this one. As you see, just right click Advanced Joint or Advanced Properties by double clicking, we can first of all we have to remove this one, and after that it will be a separate joint. And you see here we have side 1 and side 2, so I will choose only side 1 and I will check side 1, so it will close this area. Or I can, if maybe sometimes I need check this one, side 2, no problem. Okay, so what we have now, we have we can just send back this one, properties as a display type, change display type. Yeah, it's just like this. And let me show you, we have a very good cutting in this pipe. Okay, so how about the second pipe? The second pipe, it should be cut also, this one. If you look at here now, it's not cut. Okay, just go to top view. Okay, top view, and again go to, from here we can have to select this one, this feature. We have to cut this contour, select this beam and just click it. What we have to do, we have to put a diameter of this one. Let's say inner diameter of this one. I don't know how much that. As you see here, what we have 457 minus 12.7 minus 12.7, because we have two thicknesses, so we have to put this number. Okay, 431.6. so just by double clicking 400, it's the radius, so it's this one divided by 2, so 200. Copy, we can just copy it and paste it here and enter. As you see, now we have a very nice cut in, or wrap cut in pipes. And as you see, we can make everything with advanced seal. But first you have to know which channel you have to choose, or you have to know the perfect choice for yourself and where you select. Okay. So as you see, this is the question that how we can make this round cut in advanced steel. So I don't know, I have a second question or not. No, there's no other questions, or there are only 2 persons online now. I hope you can join this live video. It's useful for you, and it's all the answering questions. All the answers are for free, no problem. If you have anything, I will answer you. All of it for free. So I don't know. Somebody else sent me questions or not, but I'm waiting a little bit. So for now, I will listen for Holy Quran till another question come to me, and I can answer that question also.
حسنا ماكثين فيه أبدا وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم
as I said, sorry, I had a problem with the connection. Now it's solved. So for this one, I will show you for the second question. I will show you how we can make elbow deck. Elbow deck. As I said, we have to make two lines. Okay, we have to make two lines and an arc. Okay. After that, what I have to do, I have to cut this one. Okay, I have to divide these lines. So how can I divide? If I bring a calculator, most of the times or all the times, this one, the first one and the second one will be the same number of the same angle. So what I have to do, I have to just click this one and say CO4 copy. Just click here and just select this line, RO for rotate. Click this one, and what I want to copy. So I want to put it with an angle. As I said, it is 22.5 divided by 2 because we have two pieces. So now I have 11.25. So minus 11.25, or sorry, it should be 11.5. Just delete this one. RO from this point, as I said, the copy 11.25. Okay. So again, RO for copy. Click here and RO for copy. Click this point. I want to copy for this time 22.5. Again, copy this one. CO for RO for rotate. From this rotate, I want to make another copy, so it's 22.5. As you see, just like this. And now what we have, another time, RO for rotate. Click here and copy another time 22.5. So now it's we get this kind of this division. So now what I have to do, I have to just connect these points together. It's just like this. And after that, I will delete all the lines that I created before, and I don't need any more. So now what I have to do, I have to make circles like this. Let's change the UCS first. Okay, I will click here. Okay, so I will make a circle with a diameter. I don't know, maybe a diameter is 800. After that, what I have to select, I have to go to here from this one. Okay, from this one, as you see, folded beam, and here I have a circle. So just select the circle, select the center point of the circle, and select the start point. We have start point here and end point here. As you see, we could create. We can just change this one to 3-4 millimeters. I don't know, whatever you want. Again, the same another thing. Circle. Select the circle. Select the center point. Select here and this point. Okay, that's very good. Again, I have to rotate. I have to repeat these steps, and from this point to this point. As you see, again, what I have to do, I have to click here, folded beam. What it gives me, please specify the first point of, or select polyline or circle or arc. I have a circle here, so I have to select the circle. Just by selecting the circle, what's the center point of the circle? I have the center point is here, and what's the start point? I have to I want to start from here, and this end from here. Okay, that's very good. Again, the same procedure. Circle, select the circle, click here and click here and click here. Okay, so now if we want to see this one, we can just go to conceptual. We can see this kind of cool elbow, but now we have to fix these problems. Here we have overlap, and here we have an opening. Okay, no problem. How we can fix it? It's pretty easy. Just go to the feature, meta, select here and select here. Be careful for using the points. And I didn't set the world. Yeah, I want to create the world. Okay, as you see, now we have the. I fixed this one. I have to click here or not here. Okay, because it will cut in not proper way. So as you see, just repeat that I want or I do. Click create world. We didn't create world for this one, so we want to create world. Okay, again this one we want to make world. Okay, so now we have a very cool elbow duct. As you see, we can make or put some flats here or some angles here. We can put flats or angles here also. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to just select everything and go to output, numbering, and as I usually use this one, single part is equal to the assembly part, so here it starts from 1. I want to the special part, main part starts like this again for this one, and just apply and OK. So now I have 2 types, as you see here. I have number 1 and number 2. Maybe this one not welded, that's why, yeah, we didn't make weld, so we have to change or make numbering one more time. As you see, it's the number main part is one piece, but if you go to the single part, it should be contain some pieces, as you see here. Now as you see, like this. So what I have to do, I have to just select this one and go to for making drawings, of course, go to drawing styles from single part, and what we have to use folded plate profile. Okay, just by clicking here, and we have to get the dimensions of, or dimensions for cutting in plasma. After that we can bend this pipe and welding, and it will give us a very nice duct. Right click, show part detail. As you see, here is the method of cutting. You have to cut like this. As we know, this length it should be should equal to this one. So let me try to this one if it's the same or not, by clicking parameter dimension. Click here, and click here. As you see how much I have 1171, and from this point to this point I have the dimension points. Sorry. I have to select this one first, these 2 points, and make this one space bar. After that, again select this one, click these 2 points. As you see now, 117, 117. So it's everything is okay, and we don't have any problem with that. This is for this piece. As you guys, this for this piece, and for other piece is the same. As you see, let me show you something. What is this red circle? This red circle tells me that I didn't choose a correct point, so I will just select here and I will correct this one. So 1171. Let me see here again. It's not the correct point from here So 1171. So when I bend this one, it will be like this. This is the side view, and this is this. As you see in here, also we have this part, which is the part, I think number 1 or number 2. As you see, it will be like this, with this wrap around, and we can use this one also. And this is the second question, guys. This is the second question. I'm waiting for some other questions. Okay, so I could answer these 2 questions, and we see. I'll see to another question. Just I want to save this one. Okay, I'll see for another question. If anybody has a question, can tell me. No problem. Let me listen to Holy Quran now till somebody send. Okay, so I'm waiting for your questions, guys, and you can give me your questions in the live chat. Just write down here, and I will answer the question for you. Guys, you can even send me the questions through my WhatsApp. My number is 00964 So the number is 00964 So let me write in the comment, so you can also okay. Guys, let me show you or show you something, which is why we are. By the way, I'm going to make some wise video on advanced steel, and on this or on that series of videos will be I will focus on the problems in advanced steel that we face, or the things that we need to make for advanced steel. What I mean, it means that for example, let's say maybe somebody tells me that why we have to use grids. Guys, grids in huge problem, huge project is very benefit. It's very useful for us. Very useful for us. Why? Because we can make cameras, we can make model views, we can make many things with that one. And today I want to show you something. I want to show you something that how we can change the material at once. For example, we finished our model, but we forget to use a proper material or the correct material. How we can solve this problem? It's very easy with advanced steel. Just you can go to Home tab, and you can to do. You can go to Home tab. Okay, you can go to Home tab, and just by clicking here from Project Explorer, go to Model Browse, and this here I have this material, but my material should be S235. So just click here, edit process, and click the first material and shift to the click here, shift this one, and you can change the materials at once. Let's say S235. So now every material changed in a very easy way, or it doesn't need one by one, and click here and go to material and change it here. Also, there are many other things that we can do. For example, we make the drawings for this one. When we have a huge model and we don't know which one we made drawings or which one we have to make drawing, you can just go to here, right click, insert column, and as you see, you can go to drawing and drawing number. As you see, all of this is one drawing. We have one drawing number, which is number 4. Let me expand this one. Only number 4. So when I have to when I open number 4 drawing, as you see here, I know that this one is contain my ducts. As you see, it's just like this. Yeah, it contains everyone. Okay, let me make another beam. For example, let's say this beam we don't make drawing for this one. Okay, so now it should give us this one blank. Yeah, as you see here, I have this one is blank. Okay, I have nothing. Even if I make numbering for this one, no problem, it will give me the numbering, but for drawing is it will not give me anything, as you see, because I didn't make drawing for that. So what is this? This is very useful for me. This is very useful for me. Sometimes when I make drawings, I forget to make some of the drawings, or I forget which beam I made drawings, or which one remain. So we can just by selecting this one, as you see, just by clicking this one, I can select this beam, or this one, I can select that beam. Yeah, as you see, it's just like this. So this is the third question that I answered. I'm waiting for your question also. And another cool thing, there are many nodes when you are became a professional in advanced steel and in model in advanced steel. When you became a professional, so you learn many things. Okay, you learn many things. One of these things is if you don't need, please don't use shortening. Don't use shortening, because maybe shortening makes you problem if you don't need. For example, I want to make shortening for this beam, just like this at this end. I don't know what's the problem. Invalid. I don't know why it's. Let me change this one. Yeah. So because it's to UCS, shortening at UCS. So just click here. As you see, now it's shortened. Let's say by 500. When we use this one, and another time we use beams, sometimes make us problem. So what I have to use, I will not use this one because I want to, for example, I want to reduce the length by 500. Delete this one, don't use this one, and just click here and click this point and bring it down by 500. Now is good, is better, is much better now. Okay, much better now. So it's very good. There are many things to talk about. Let me talk about another thing or another topic, or how we can make compound beams. Sometimes, or I remember that I saw somebody in one of the advanced steel groups. I don't know which one was. He asked about making curved beam, curved plate. Guys, making curved plate is so much easy, but I will show you the way. Okay. What we have here, we have a curved beam. Okay, as you see, we have a curved beam. So now, by using this one, you can just go to flats. This is here, and you can use, for example, this one. I'm positioned by or rotated by 90 degree. Now I have a curved beam. So flat is the same thing for with like flat is like I don't know. It's like a plate. Okay, so I can specify radius here. Linear dimension property is here. I have many things. I can change the material here. Every time I have to change here. So what I want to show you, no problem. What I want to show you, I want to okay. So anyhow, as I told you, I want to change it by default. So click here, management tool, and after that go to defaults. I'm going to use filters, and I say material. As you see, the beam material, click here, and it's this one. So I want to change it to S235. The concrete we have many things. We have plate also. I want to change also is S235, just like this. Click here, and you can just close this one, no problem, and refresh the database. And from now, when you make a beam, any type of beam, it will give you the material S235. It should be, because but I should restart the computer. That's why it doesn't give me like this. And when I not restart the computer, sorry, restart advanced still. Okay. Okay, we can make another thing. We have this circle here. Okay, we have this circle here, and how we can now how we can split this plate? We have to split it with a beam feature. Okay, and not with plate feature. For example, from this point to this point, and click it here. As you see, now it became 2 pieces. So this is for today, guys. If you have any other questions, you can write down below in comment section, and I will answer in